Hello everyone! Today, we are going to see how to solve a very common problem that happens especially in laptops when connecting a USB antenna with a long cable that is not detected or is connected and disconnected all the time. It even happens especially with products with a double USB connection that sometimes are not detected by your system. Even if you have the driver installed correctly, it usually happens that the antenna appears connected and disconnected all the time, without allowing access to the configuration. To solve this problem, we advise you to use this type of signal amplifier connected to the USB port. Connect the USB as you see if your cable has double connections. If your antenna only has a USB port, its installation will be easier. Now the icon will appear in green color, allowing you to enter the configuration. You can search for networks and connect to them without any problem with this signal amplifier that we will leave you the link to in the description of this video. See how it should be connected to your computer if your antenna has two USB connections. We hope you like this short video, and remember in the description of the video, we will leave you a link to this interesting product.